How to download LifeAfter on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install LifeAfter on your Android phone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, unlock your smartphone and open the Google Play Store. And once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar and type for LifeAfter. And once you are done typing it, simply search for it. And once you find the official game by NetEasy Games, simply tap on it. Now, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on install. The game size is quite large, so make sure you have stable internet connection and enough storage on your device. And once the installation is complete, you can simply tap on play to launch the game. And the game may download additional files, so be patient while it sets up. And that's how you can download the LifeAfter on your Android phone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.